Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be associated with the commencement of the event Yoga for Unity and Well-being that begins today and will culminate after 100 days into the celebration of the International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2021. This special event seeks to strengthen the rejuvenating role of yoga in promoting well-being and unity of the global community, which is presently coping with the pervasive impact of the COVID pandemic. I appreciate this collaborative effort of the United Nations Information Center, Patanjali Yogpeeth, Swami Vivekanand Yog Anusandhan Sansthan, Sri Ramchandra Mission, the Association of Indian Universities and other organizations who are steering this pioneering initiative to promote holistic health and harmony. I am told that the Ministry of Ayush has been working closely with such institutions with a view to making International Day of Yoga a truly mass event. This worldwide program, to be conducted in multiple languages and being offered free of charge, will break the barriers of languages, religions, cultures and geographies to unify the global community with the help of yoga. Yoga is the great science of spirituality, which is acknowledged as India's gift to the world. Its universal appeal is grounded in its universal benefits. This is the reason why the proposal of India to observe June 21 as the International Day of Yoga, moved in the UN General Assembly, had received prompt and overwhelming response across nations. The UN resolution specifies that yoga is beneficial for the health of the world population. I recall the great enthusiasm with which the first International Day of Yoga was celebrated all over the world in the year 2015. I personally felt the unifying effect of yoga when I celebrated the International Day of Yoga in the year 2018 in Suriname. The President of Suriname and I performed asanas together in the presence of a large number of people from Suriname. They demonstrated tremendous enthusiasm for yoga. The concept of health, according to yoga, goes beyond physical well-being. Yoga is an approach to holistic well-being which includes physical and mental fitness. Its benefits lead to freedom from psychological stress and bodily ailments. It results in high level of positive energy. It is also a path to spiritual calmness. Yoga is not associated with any religion, reason or people, but belongs to the entire world and all of humanity. As the world moves to attain progress through science and technology, there is a need to restore the balance between human beings and nature through sustainable methods. Yoga shows the way to sustainable and healthy lifestyle in alignment with the natural environment. I am glad to note that this program will cover a wide range of themes related to yoga. It will use virtual platforms to reach out to a very large community all over the world. It is designed in such a way that different people can learn and imbibe the teachings at their own pace and level of understanding. This event will be driven by some of the most eminent personalities and organizations who have already benefited millions of people through their proven interventions. I want to convey my deep appreciation to Swami Ramdev Ji, Dr. H.R. Nagendra, Sri Kamlesh Patel Daji and other yoga gurus who will be helping the participants with their exceptional effectiveness. I also convey my best wishes to all the gurus and disciples participating in this event of truly a great transformative potential. I am sure that this program will succeed in its noble objectives and reach the unifying message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam across the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.